In today's video, I will show you how to share a Metabase dashboard publicly. By the end of this video, you will know two key things: how to enable public sharing at the workspace level and how to generate public link for specific dashboard, sorry. I will also point out a few best practice along the way. So first thing, you need to be in your Metabase account and logged in. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner and click this gear icon. This is where all admin settings are. For this step, you will need admin permissions. So you will go here. If you don't see, so we will need this admin permission. So if you don't see this, it means your account doesn't have access and you will need to contact your workspace administrator. So inside admin settings, go to the settings tab and then open public sharing. This section controls whether your Metabase instance allows public link at all. Turn public sharing on. Important note here, enabling this does not make anything public by itself. It simply allows dashboards, questions, or collections to be shared later if you choose to enable them. Also, remember, public links do not require a login, so only turn this on if your organization is okay with that level of access. Now that public sharing is enabled, let's share an actual dashboard. So now we need to navigate back to the dashboard which we want to share. So right here, exit admin. Here on the left side, our analytics. I have example here, and then I will go with this one right here. Now in the top right corner of the dashboard, click the share icon. So the one that looks like an arrow pointing up and to the right. So this one here, sharing. Click on it. This opens the sharing panel for that dashboard. So here we can create a public link embed. Okay, so now click on public link and Metabase will instantly generate a unique URL for this dashboard. Copy that link and you can share it however you want: email, chat, documentation, or a website. Anyone with this link can view the dashboard without signing in, so make sure there's no sensitive or private data on it. If you ever want to stop sharing, just come back to the same panel and turn the public link off. Access is reworked immediately. So if you don't see the public link option at all, double check two things: public sharing is enabled at the instance level and that you have permission to share the dashboard. And that's basically it. You have enabled public sharing, created a public dashboard link, and copied the URL to share with others. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.